At stateelectric.com, our copy-paste ordering tool allows you to efficiently and accurately import your data lists. Whether you have a short bill of materials or a complete storeroom list, you can import your data list for stock and custom order items. Once you're logged in, you can find our copy-paste tool either under the My Account tab in the header of your screen, as seen here, or under the Ordering Tools tab in your My Account page, as seen here. Once on the copy-paste page, you'll first want to select your identifier type. You can choose from the State Electric SKU number, the UPC, or the customer part number, as seen here. For this example, we will select SKU. Next, you will want to find your data list. We personally recommend using Microsoft Excel, however other programs such as Google Docs will work just as well. Once you have your information copied, you may then proceed to paste it in the data field seen here. As you can see, our first column contains our SKU number and our second column contains our quantity. In this example, we use SKU number, tab, quantity. It can be also entered as SKU number, comma, quantity. Once you have all of your items placed into the data field, hit continue. If there's anything wrong with the information that you have processed or placed into the field during this step, you can download a CSV file. Within this file, it will tell you what was wrong with the items that you placed in, whether or not they were duplicate items. For example, EVRN92 was placed in 2 lines. This field tells you that they combined those item quantities. It will also tell you if certain items cannot be found in our catalog. In cases where an item can't be found in our catalog, we'll go ahead and input the item as a custom product by hitting continue and add to cart anyway. Whenever you add an item into the cart anyway, it will tell you exactly what has happened with the data that you have entered, and then we'll proceed to take you out to the cart page. Here we can see the 2 items that we had that couldn't be found in an online catalog have still been entered in as items. Being that they are custom items, this order will now have to be placed as a quote so that we can get your correct item in place.